a voice since we are next election.
I wish that these elections we will be presented with leaders who genuinely care about our welfare.
It is my wish that this election will be recorded in the books as a clean election.
Sana sa ngayong eleksyon, itatakbo na karapat-dapat at hindi lang para sa musiko. It is my wish that after the elections, our leaders will still be as friendly and approachable as they made themselves out.
For the elections, I wish for candidates that will really listen to what the people want.
Sana ngayong eleksyon, huwag natin kalimutan na tayo ang bumoto sa mga kandidato. Kaya dapat natin silang tulungan para umunlad ang bayan.
For the upcoming election, I really wish that people would understand who and what they're voting for.
For this senatorial election, we wish that we are given a chance to really get to know the candidates in order to make an informed decision.
Sana ngayong eleksyon, magkaroon tayo ng mga leader na may kumpletong plano para sa ating bayan.